George invested £12,000 in an account that paid 5% compound interest per year. How much was the investment worth after A, 1 year, B, 10 years to the nearest penny? Okay, so what we've got here, first of all, is a percentage increase of 5%. So the multiplier for increasing anything by 5% is 1.05. The 1 is 100%, because you get 100% of it, and the 0.5 gives you the 5%, so that gives you 105%. So working that out, the multiplier for an increase of 5%. So working that out on a calculator, that will give you £12,600. So in 1 year, on that amount, you would make £600. Now we need to calculate that to 10 years. So after 10 years, that will be the original amount, which is 12,000 times 1.05 times 1.05 times 1.05 up until we've done that 10 times. But it's easier just to raise 1.05 to the power of 10. And then working that on my calculator, that gives you 19,546.74. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to calculate compound interest. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.